In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to hosting mode on Airbnb. If you're thinking about sharing your space with travelers from around the world and wondered how to start on Airbnb, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through the process of accessing the hosting features on the platform, giving you the tools you need to begin your hosting journey. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. First, head over to the Airbnb website. You can do this by simply typing Airbnb into your preferred web browser or directly entering www.airbnb.com in the address bar. Give it a moment to load, and once you're there, you'll be on the main landing page. Next, look for the menu icon, which is often represented by 3 horizontal lines, located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu should appear. Here you'll need to choose Login or Sign Up. If you've already got an account, fantastic. If not, don't worry. Signing up is a breeze, and you'll be prompted through it step by step. For those with a Google account, Airbnb makes logging in super easy. Just click on Continue with Google, and a window will pop up, allowing you to choose your desired Google account. Select the one you want to use for Airbnb, and you'll be seamlessly logged into your account. Once you're logged in, again locate that familiar menu icon up in the top right. Click on it one more time to access the drop-down menu. This is where you'll select Find a Co-host. This section is designed to help users manage listings by finding trusted individuals who can help oversee your property. But for our objective, it will transition us smoothly towards hosting mode. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Listings tab at the top. This is a central hub for managing all hosting-related activities, and you'll find it in the navigation area. Finally, by accessing the Listings tab, you are officially in hosting mode. From here, you have the ability to create new listings and manage your current ones. You can input details about your space, set pricing and availability, and even include house rules to ensure a pleasant experience for both you and your guests. And there you have it. You're all set to begin your hosting adventure with Airbnb. Remember, hosting comes with responsibilities, but it's also an incredible opportunity to connect with people worldwide and share your unique space. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Happy hosting!